Traders are now slightly puzzled. The US dollar is recouping losses incurred after the release of a negative report on the Consumer Confidence Index. Investors are extremely worried about the worsening epidemiological situation around the globe. At the same time, they are looking for hints from the Fed about the early normalization of monetary policy. In our video review on InstaForex TV channel, we will learn about events that may support the greenback's rally. On Thursday, August 19, traders will focus their attention on US initial jobless claims data. The latest reports from the US Department of Labor showed an extremely positive dynamic. There was a significant increase in the number of employed people. However, one of the FOMC members said that the regulator wanted to see a few more strong jobs reports over the coming months. Traders wonder what levels are considered strong enough. Besides, now the labor market seems quite healthy. For this reason, some speculators started doubting a possible shift to the hawkish policy, especially in case the number of jobless claims would suddenly increase. The number of continuing jobless claims in the United States decreases. This is a clear sign of employment growth. Data on the Australian labour market was also published early on Thursday. This is why traders will be curious to study the content of the speech delivered by the Reserve Bank of Australia Assistant Governor Christopher Kent. In the Asian session on Friday, speculators will determine the sentiment on the Aussie, taking into account Kent's speech. If he makes any hint about a possible change in monetary policy, the Australian dollar may advance. The regulator could also tighten policy amid strong labour market data as well as the acceleration growth of inflation. Traders are waiting for the release of macroeconomic statistics from the UK at the start of the European session. This is retail sales data for July, which reflects consumer activity in the country. After a sharp increase due to a low base effect, the annual indicator is now gradually returning to more appropriate values. As for monthly changes, analysts expect to see an increase of 0.3%. If this scenario comes true, it will be a signal that the UK economy is steady and predictable. In its turn, the Bank of England may finally consider gradual tapering of asset purchases and even rising of the interest rates. So the outlook for the pound sterling is bullish. And you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.